When it comes to beauty and cosmetics, there are so many trends really impacting the industry. The first is that there's so much product innovation based on consumer preferences. When we look at consumer preference for products that are natural or sustainable or vegan, these were not the same values that consumers had 10 or even 15 years ago, and a lot of new brands are popping up to serve that. So the ability of a cosmetics company to quickly understand if their products contain certain ingredients or can be labeled in a certain way are extremely important. On the regulatory side as well, with increased labeling requirements, being able to know exactly what's in a formula, being able to manage technical flags that are similar to food and bev, in fact, becomes more and more critical. And packaging as a differentiator is really on the rise. When you think about walking into a Sephora or an Ulta, there's hundreds, if not thousands, of products in that store. And what makes a consumer want to pick yours? And packaging and differentiation we're seeing become more and more of a factor. When we look at Specright, there's so much data that needs to be standardized and so many processes that need to be orchestrated to really address all of those trends. And that's something that Specright makes and really enables beauty companies to use to their advantage. So for example, you can quickly understand what formulas you're using across your product lines or what ingredients you're using across your product lines, and then ensure that your labeling is correct and accurate, and that if someone's changing the formula, you're alerted or it goes through an approval process. And when it comes to packaging, you're able to have different versioning of the packaging for different markets, but then tie all that packaging together so you understand what is in market, how it's produced, and so many other kind of applications. But those are really the big ones we see with beauty and cosmetics. Our customers are finding tremendous value, and it's an industry we're really excited about.